Welcome to the assembly instructions video of this baby walker. The box of this walker includes the main body, seat, 6 wheels, toy, a musical tray panel, and a parental handle. To fit the walker, take the main body and pull the walker top to open it. Use the knob to adjust the walker at the 3 different heights. Take the seat and push the knobs in the slots as shown in the video to firmly fix the seat. Take the tray and unscrew the cell cap to open it. Insert 2 AAA batteries and then screw the cap back at the spot. Now, fix the musical panel as shown. Push the wheels in the slots as shown in the video. Take the toys and push them in the slots as shown. Now, take the parental handle and push it in the slot at the back to fix it. Now this walker is ready for your little one.